Today I'm cooking a simple dish, ginger scallion chicken. It uses a ginger scallion sauce, which is a homemade condiment. It is sweet, flavorful, and very rich in flavor. This recipe is for 3 to 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 780 grams of chicken whole leg, 150 grams of ginger scallion sauce. The recipe is in the see more link. 150 ml of water, half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of Shaoxing white, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. The full list of the ingredients are in the see more link. In a large bowl, add in the chicken or the salt, light soy sauce, sesame oil, Shaoxing white, oyster sauce, and 1 heapful tablespoon of ginger scallion sauce. Marinate the chicken with seasoning until well combined. Leave it to marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, cook the chicken. Heat the pan, add in the chicken, stir and cook for 1 minute. Then cover the pan and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. After 2 minutes, the chicken part at the bottom of the pan have changed the color. Stir to rotate the chicken for 2 minutes, so they will fully change color. Alright, the chicken has fully changed color and is partially cooked. Add in 150 ml of water. Cover the pan and cook for another 30 minutes. Stir in between to evenly cook the chicken and to prevent burning. After 25 minutes, the gravy is less now, but we want to reduce more gravy. Cover the pan and continue to cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, the gravy is getting dry. This is perfect. Give it a taste. It's delicious. Switch off the heat. Add in 3 heapful tablespoons of ginger scallion sauce. Leave a little bit for garnishing later. Stir to mix until well incorporated. Alright, it is done. Let's dish out and serve. Garnish with balance of the ginger scallion sauce. I recommend serving hot with white rice. Let's eat. Wow, very delicious and fragrant. The chicken is really tasty and tender. The gravy is delicious, sweet and flavorful. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.